Hi guys, I've just made some extra scripts when we are on VirtualBox, because from time to time we need to be there because of the fact that we need to test. And we want to try out one of our ISOs. I have an extra script that came with this one, ArcoLinux system config, and it's also in the Arco install system config. So for both of those ISOs that we have, the ArcoNet, the Arco Plasma, the Arco Pro, and now the new guy, the Arco install ISO, we have a text, a script, add tab, and that's it. And it's called add VirtualBox guest utils. I was always typing it and always enabling and always starting it. And when it gets weary, when you get tired of it, you make a script. And you say, do this automatically for me. And boom, right? It's set. The only thing I need to do probably is go out of it and log out and make sure everything is beautiful and nice. And yes, I did change the theme just for fun, right? And here we are. We have a complete setup of, well, full screen, 1920 to 1080. It adjusts to the real size of my virtual machine, and that's all I wanted to share in this video. Just update your system and you get one extra script that's called add VirtualBox guest utils. That's it. Cheers and have fun.